Welcome to Drawer Leaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Edge panel in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here scroll down and then go to display. From here scroll down again and then go to Edge panel. Now just tap here to enable Edge panel. Now you can see in my phone Edge panel is enabled. Now if you tap on panels, now here you can see so many tasks and you can add any tasks in your Edge panel as you want. If I select weather, tools, reminder and then go back. Now if you open Edge panel, now from here you can find your tasks. Now if you go to handle, from here you can customize your Edge panel position and change your Edge panel style, transparency and size. You can also lock your Edge panel position, and from here you can change your Edge panel color. And that is how you can enable or disable Edge panel in your Samsung Galaxy S24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.